Hello. So let us see few more problems in today's class. So the first problem is if theta and phi are vectorial angles of a point on a conic referred to two foci and they are measured in the same sense with respect to the initial line joining the foci, show that the ratio of tan theta by 2 and tan phi by 2 is constant. So we have a conic with two foci and we are given a point on the conic and തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന പോയിന്റിൽ നിന്ന് നമുക്ക് രണ്ട് ഫോസയിലേക്കും കണക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന റേഡിയൽ ലൈൻസ് ഉണ്ടാവും. So their vectorial angles are theta and phi. Now we need to show that the ratio of tan theta by 2 and tan phi by 2 is constant. So we need to show that. So we need to show that tan theta by 2 by tan phi by 2 is equal to a constant. So let us see a diagram of what is given. So we have a conic and let us take S and S dash to be the foci. അപ്പോൾ S എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് pole ആയിട്ട് എടുക്കുക. So S is the pole, so which is one of the foci, and S dash is the second foci. And again P is a point which is on the conic, and we have angles theta and phi, so they are in the same sense. അതായത് ഒന്നെങ്കിൽ രണ്ടും ക്ലോക്ക് വൈസ് ആയിരിക്കും അല്ലെങ്കിൽ രണ്ടും ആൻറ്റി ക്ലോക്ക് വൈസ് ആയിരിക്കും. they will be in the same sense. Now we can take the equation of the conic. So S is the pole. We can take the equation of the conic in the direction of the initial line. So Sx will be the initial line. So we can write down the equation of conic with respect to the initial line and also with respect to the foci. അതായത് foci f dash, and with respect to the directrix you can write the equation, and similarly you can write the equation of the conic with respect to the direction opposite to the initial line. So using those two equations we will using the equation of conic with respect to these two foci S and S dash, so we will obtain a ratio which is tan theta by 2 by tan phi by 2. So let S and S dash be the foci and Sx be the initial line, and let P of r theta be a point on the conic. Okay, let me take it as r theta. Okay, so the point P, so let us express the point P with respect to this vectorial angle theta and also the vectorial angle phi. So what we do here is we'll consider two cases. Okay, അപ്പോൾ ഒന്ന് നമ്മൾ S pole ആയിട്ട് assume ചെയ്യും, then we'll write the coordinates for P. Similarly we will assume that S dash is the pole. Okay, so instead of taking this foci to be the pole, so we'll see what happens if S dash becomes the pole. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ P യുടെ coordinates എന്താണെന്ന് നോക്കാം. Okay, so when S is the pole, അപ്പോൾ Sx will be the initial line. അപ്പോൾ ഇനിഷ്യൽ ലൈനുമായിട്ട് ഇപ്പോൾ P എന്ന് പറയുന്ന പോയിന്റിനെ S ആയിട്ട് ജോയിൻ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ദിസ് വിൽ ബി ദ റേഡിയൽ ലൈൻ യു ആർ ഗെറ്റിംഗ്. സോ ദ ആംഗിൾ ഓഫ് ഇൻക്ലിനേഷൻ ഇസ് തീറ്റ ആൻഡ് ദ റേഡിയൽ ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ഇസ് r. So r theta will be the coordinate of P with respect to the pole S. Now similarly, take the pole to be S dash. അപ്പോൾ S dash pole ആയിട്ട് വരുമ്പോൾ again S dash X will be the initial line. So the angle of inclination with S dash of X and this radial line will be phi. അപ്പോൾ angle of inclination phi ആയിരിക്കും. ഇനി P വരെയുള്ള radial distance എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് rho ആയിരിക്കും. So the coordinate of P with respect to S dash as the pole will be rho phi. So P can be expressed in the coordinates r theta with respect to S as a pole and rho phi with respect to S dash as the pole. So those are two representations of P. Now we will use these 2 points to write down the equation of two different two conics. രണ്ട് കോണിക്കിന്റെ equation ഇത് വെച്ച് എഴുതാം. So from that we will obtain the required ratio. So the equation of the conic with respect to the pole S and the directrix EF is, so when S is the pole and EF is the directrix. So we are taking the direction opposite to the initial line. The equation of the conic is L by R equal to 1 minus E cos theta. Okay. So our minus sign varum. So the coordinates of the point P are R and theta. Now since we are taking with respect to the directrix EF, so we will get L by R equal to 1 minus E cos theta. So where E is the eccentricity. Now let us take the equation of the conic with respect to the next directrix. So take the equation of the conic with respect to S dash as the pole and GF as the directrix. So അപ്പോൾ കോണിക്കിലെ പോയിന്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് റോ ഫൈ ആയിരിക്കും. അപ്പോൾ ആർ തീറ്റയ്ക്ക് പകരം റോ ഫൈ വരും. നൗ ദിസ് ഇസ് ഇൻ ദ ഡയറക്ഷൻ ഓഫ് ദ ഇനീഷ്യൽ ലൈൻ. ഇപ്പോൾ വിൽ ഗെറ്റ് പ്ലസ് ഇ കോസ് തീറ്റ ആയിരിക്കും അവിടെ വരുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ. സോ ദി ഇക്വേഷൻ of the conic with respect to the pole S dash and the directrix GH is L by rho equal to 1 plus E cos theta. So here we will get two equations. So we have L by R equal to 1 minus E cos theta varum and L by rho equal to 1 plus E cos theta. So let us take the ratio 1 minus E cos theta by 1 plus E cos theta. So that will give rho by R by the law of sines for any triangle. The ratio of a side length to the sine of opposite angle is same for all three sides. So that is the law of sines, or you can put it in this form. Okay. So if you have a triangle ABC For A, B, C are the sides, and capital A, capital B. So these are the sides, and capital C, these are the opposite angles. Then the law of sine states that A by sine A will be equal to B by sine B equal to C by sine C. Okay. So when you take this triangle SS dash P. Okay. So when you take rho by sine theta, so rho by sine theta will be equal to, ഈ angle phi ആണെങ്കിൽ this angle is going to be pi minus phi. Okay. So therefore rho by sine theta will be equal to r by sine of pi minus theta. So by law of sines in triangle SS dash P, we get rho by sine theta will be equal to r by sine phi minus phi varum. So from here we can get rho by r. Rho by r എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് sine theta by sine phi minus phi varum. So we can write the equation as 1 minus e cos theta by 1 plus e cos theta equal to rho by r equal to sine theta by sine phi minus phi. Now sine phi minus phi is again equal to sine phi. So we get sine theta by sine phi. Now let us take the first and last equation. So upon cross multiplying, we'll get sine phi into 1 minus e cos theta equal to sine theta into 1 plus e this is cos phi. So 1 minus e cos phi. So that will give sine phi minus e sine phi cos theta equal to sine theta plus e sine theta cos phi. So let us take sine to the same side. So sine phi minus sine theta will be equal to e, and here you will get sine theta cos phi minus plus sine phi cos theta varum. So that will be sine phi plus theta. Now this is in the form sin A minus sin B. So we will get 2 cos A plus B by 2 into sin A minus B by 2. So we will get here cos phi plus theta by 2 into sin phi minus theta by 2. So that will be equal to, and this can be written as this is in the form of sin 2x form in namakku ezhudam. So that will be 2 sin but sin x ne you can write as sin 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So that will give 5 plus theta by 2 into cos 5 plus theta by 2. For cos 5 plus theta by 2 and 2 will cancel off. So we are going to get remaining we will get sin phi minus theta by 2 by sin phi plus theta by 2 equal to e. Now let us use the componendo dividendo rule. So by using componendo dividendo we will get sin phi plus theta by 2 minus sin phi minus theta by 2 by